a different LMS, right?
All right.
So yeah, you will get the credentials of that as well, I guess. Okay. Hmm.
Sure, sir. Then, bye.
Sorry, your voice is not clear properly, Apurva. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. Apurva, you there? Hello, hello. Apurva, you there? Can you see my screen? She left. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sorry, it just got stuck in middle.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so I'm asking, is my screen visible? Apurva, is my screen visible to you? Hello, hello, Apurva. Can you hear me? Hello,
Yeah,
now
yes,
can you
sir.
hear
I'm
me?
so sorry. Yeah. I'm so sorry for that.
Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem, Apurva.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope my screen is visible for you.
Yes, it is.
Okay, great. Okay. So we have discussed the basics. You want me to repeat that or is that okay?
No, sir. Like first class, I was in, so I know the basics.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like what are the modules covered and all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, we can continue like from that next.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So then let me just open the text editor. Yeah. So you're the only in this batch, na? So right,
Right.
8.
Yeah. I'm so sorry for that, sir.
No, no problem. 8 p.m. batch. Purva, right? Is the
It's
spelling correct?
A AP
AP
double O.
double O. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
thank you. Okay, um, so let's just discuss about the basics of cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity, hacking, type of hacker, and all, right? This we haven't covered,
Right.
right? Okay, so today we'll discuss the basics. Then from tomorrow, I'll share you some links. Have you downloaded the files that I have shared in the group? No, na?
No, not yet.
Okay, okay, no problem. Then I'll share you the links after the end of the session. You have to download
Sure.
those files in your system. Okay.
Sure.
So let's just discuss
Okay.
about
Yeah.
the basics of cybersecurity.
Sure.
Uh, so tell me, have we covered what is cybersecurity?
Yeah. Like we spoke about it, like where we protect the data of any particular company or the business
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we even try to protect ourselves, right?
ourselves, right?
That is what cybersecurity. Now let's just talk about the hacking, okay?
Yeah.
So what the hacking is not something very dangerous stuff. Okay, it just sounds
Mhm.
dangerous. We just have an you know like everyone is telling hacking is very dangerous stuff and all. Okay, it is not danger. Okay, but some people make it danger. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
which is by intruding someone else's system, right? So that is
Right.
what dangerous. So hacking
Hmm.
is what it's an you can say kind of art of having a knowledge of the technology or to using the technology.
Okay.
Okay, that is what we call
All right.
hacking basically. And in the case of hackers, if we talk about, so hackers are considered of different categories. We have mainly three type of hackers. You know that? Do you
Right.
know
Yeah.
about this?
Yeah. I heard that white, black, and gray.
Okay. Any other color?
I think these are the three main major type of hackers.
Okay, you have heard of pink hat hackers?
No, not really. I mean, do we have anything like that?
Well, we have two other type of hackers. We call them pink, or mostly we call them the script kiddies or hacktivists. But we also call them pink hat hackers, just to mock
Okay.
them, basically, just to make a joke of them, right?
All right, got
Uh,
it.
yeah. So we have mainly three type of hackers. You are right. Okay. Um,
Right.
not this. So which is black, gray, and white. Okay, so what is the role of the black gray hat hacker? A black hat hacker?
Uh, Not really sure. Maybe like illegal hackers who will just hack the system without any permission or anything like that.
Okay, and what is the role of white?
White seems like a ethical hacker, like a legal one who has the right to, like get into the system, maybe
Mm-hmm.
to secure the companies and all.
Okay, and gray one?
Gray, not sure, sir, really.
Not really. Okay. So let me tell you. Let's just again
Yeah.
take an example to understand the term hacking. Hacking is like a gun. Okay, we have a gun, right?
Mhm.
So hacking is
Right,
like a gun. So it's totally up to you. It depends on you how you use the gun. If you're using that gun to kill innocent people or show that you are the king of the area or and all right, to show that you are the boss and all right. So in that case, in that case we consider you in which category? Terrorist,
right,
right? Or else we call you the Gundama Valley and all right.
right.
And
Yeah, yeah.
right. But if you're using that gun to secure your nation, your country, your people, okay, or to secure innocent people from those type of people, the bad people, right? So in that case, we call them soldiers, police, right? They
Right.
are also
Yeah.
using the same gun, na? Right? We have,
Yeah.
for example, any random gun. We have, for example, very famous AK-47. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Army also uses the AK-47 and terrorists also use the AK-47. But still, they both are different. Right.
Yeah.
Both are humans, but with different mindset. Right.
Yeah. Intention.
Yeah. Obviously, with different intentions. So in that case, we call
Right.
them terrorist or police. Same thing. The hat hackers are those who use their who use their hacking skills or their knowledge about the computer and the networking and all to steal some kind of data, to steal money or some sensitive information and all, right?
Okay.
Without any permission. In that case, we call them black hat hackers.
Black hat hackers. Right.
Okay, white hat hackers are you can say the army and all. Okay, the soldiers. These are
Mm-hmm.
the
Got it.
person who use their skills to protect the websites, platforms, or even themselves from such kind of people.
Right.
Okay,
Got it.
and then we have gray hat hacker. Okay, so gray hat hackers are mixture of both. Sometimes they do the work of gray, sometimes they do the work of sorry, sometimes they do the work of black, and sometimes they do the work of white. It's totally up
Right.
to their
Okay.
mood, whatever they wanted to do. Let's say, to understand this concept, the gray hat hackers, let's say we have a room. Okay, you went to a
Mm-hmm.
museum or somewhere, and then there, we see a notice, like a board is there on the wall, and it was mentioned on the board that restricted area, you cannot
Right.
enter in
Huh.
this particular room or in this particular area. Okay, but what you do, what thought comes in our mind, we say that um we think that no, I wanted to see what is behind this wall or what is inside this area, I wanted to see, right? So in
Right.
that case, what you will do, you will just enter in that area and you came back, you just saw that what is present there and you came back. But in this case, you don't have permission, and additionally you don't even have stolen anything,
Right. Right.
right?
Yeah.
You just entered, you just saw what is present there and you came back, just for the
Right.
fun part, right? So you have done that, right? So in that case, you will be considered as gray hat hacker. This is not ethical, but still you are not affecting anything, right?
Okay.
So that
I
is what
mean,
we call gray hat hackers.
but still, if a gray hat hacker, like just check any company's data by hacking it,
Mm-hmm.
that might also like be illegal, right? Even if he's not harming the company in any way, but still like, getting into
That
other
is
systems
illegal,
data
of
and all.
course. Of course, it is
Okay.
illegal if company finds that we have the forensics team, cyber forensics team. If they find that there is a kind of digital footsteps are present, okay, every single
Mhm.
process, every single thing that we do in the digital world, now you will like you will left your digital footprints. Okay, so through
Okay.
them they can track you back. And if they found that this person has entered in our databases and platform, and but the person doesn't have the permission, so in that case you will be considered as black hat hacker. They can write an FIR against you.
All right. All right. Sir. Got it.
Got it? But until unless they won't find
Yeah.
that, so in that case, right. Same thing for the restricted room. You have entered and someone has saw you in the CCTV camera. In that case, you will
Mm-hmm.
be in a trouble, na? But what if
Right.
no one
Yeah.
have saw you, right? So in that case, you can come out securely, safely, right?
Right. Sir.
So
Yeah.
these are, and both of these type of hackers, black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and gray hat hacker, they can be even one single person can be both of them. There is no kind of certificate or real hat that they used to wear. Okay, like I'm a black hat hacker, so I'll wear a black hat. Okay, these are just to identify them. Okay, put them in a different category. We use these kind of names. A single person can be both of them at the same time. Got it?
Right. Understood. Yeah.
I can even use my
So it purely
ethical
depends on the intention.
intentions. Yeah, their intentions.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. Got it. Sir.
Got it? Okay, so these
Yeah.
are the important point. Well, these sounds very normal thing, but these are important questions for the interviews. Okay, so they even
Okay.
ask you
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Yeah.
what is difference between these? Do they really wear a hat of black color, white, or gray? And the gray is well, I guess you have guessed it. Gray is the mixture of black and white
Right.
color,
Right.
right? That's why we call them gray. Then we have the pink hat hacker. Okay, mostly we call them the hacktivist. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
hacktivist and um, script kiddies. Okay, we have pink hat hacker, or we also call them hacktivists and script kiddies. So what are the role of
Okay.
there? uh, sometimes we even divide them in two different categories. Hacktivists are different, script kiddies are different, right? But almost their
All
role
right.
is same. What they do, they don't have much knowledge about the cybersecurity, ethical hacking or hacking and all. They just know basics
Okay.
more than their friends or more than the people
Oh,
who is near them or surround them, right?
all right.
So
All right. All
got
right.
it. So in this case,
Mm-hmm.
what they do, they just show off in front of their friends. Like, I know hacking, I can do this, I can do that. If you compare that your technical skills to your grandparents, so definitely you have
Right.
more knowledge than them, right? Even I don't know about you, but in my case, my grandparents, in case of my grandparents, even if I set a ringtone of any bhajan and all, any song or anything in their mobile phone, so they'll be like, I am the super tech expert and something. This is what they
Yeah.
thought,
Happens. Yeah. Say.
right? So same thing in front of friends. If you have more knowledge than the other one in any particular technology, so they will think that, oh, the guy is having very good knowledge and all, right? So this is what they thought, and this is what
So
the
in simple
hacktivists used
terms,
to do.
yeah. So I believe in simple terms, it's just like till we complete the course, we are considered as pink hat hackers. Once we get the TC Council certificate, we might be considered as white hat hackers.
No, 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 no. During the course, you will become a white hat hacker only without even
Okay.
certificate. Okay, even without the certificate, you can become a white hat hacker. The certificate is not compulsory.
All right. All right. Got it.
Okay. The hacktivists are those. There is no kind of certificate. I've told you na that identify that you are a ethical hacker or white hat hacker. Let's say in my case, I have the CEH certificate. Okay, but what if I use my skills for to hack a bank website? In that
Yeah.
case, I will be not be
Illegal.
considered as white hat hacker, na? In
Right.
that case,
Right.
they will
Yeah.
consider me in the case of black hat hacker only, right?
Right.
Hmm. Yeah. So hacktivists are those who don't have knowledge about the cybersecurity. They don't know what is the real cybersecurity, what is the real hacking is. They just think that this is completely, uh, you know, they just show off in front of their friends who don't have much knowledge about the technology, right?
Right.
Have you
Got
heard
it.
of
Yeah.
some applications which is like Call Bomber and OTP Bomber or something like this?
Hmm. Not really.
What mobile phone that you are using? Android or iPhone?
The Android. Android.
Android. Okay, so in Android, you can download an application named uh, Bomb It Up.
Bomb it up. Bomb
Okay,
it up. Okay.
Bomb It Up.
Okay.
Let me show you on the Firefox. Um, Bomb It Up. Search for Bomb It Up. Go to this application,
All right.
this website. This is not available on the Play Store, so you have to download it from the third-party platform.
Website.
Okay, which is
Okay.
like official website of the Bomb It Up. You can download it from here. Click on the download it for. It is only available for Android, right? So just click
All
on
right.
this
Yeah.
and you can download the application, then install it. After installing the application, it will show you like this kind of window. Here you need to enter the phone number of your target number. Okay, your
Okay.
target mobile number, and doesn't matter if the target is using iPhone, Android, or whatever it is, the attack can be performed on them. Okay, and
Okay.
then
Like
what you can do, you
what
can write
it
here
does.
the count. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You have to write
Okay.
the count here. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Till I guess maximum is 150. Okay,
Okay.
maximum you can write 150 count, and then you can even set a delay. What kind of delay? Basically, what this tool will do now, it will send OTPs to the target, multiple OTPs
Oh.
of the famous
Okay.
platform. For example, Zomato, Flipkart, Amazon, right? So these kind of OTPs it will
Oh. Oh.
send.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Got
And you
it.
can even choose the delay, like 1 second delay, 2 second delay. So if you have entered, suppose 150 here in the count, and you have selected delay of 2 second. So in every two
Mm-hmm.
second, they will get a pop-up. They
All
will get a
right. All right.
OTP
Got it.
on their system. right?
Okay,
So
sir. Got it.
so
Yeah.
just imagine if you receive like 150 OTPs at the same time, suddenly you have started receiving the OTPs, right? So in that case, you will be like, oh my God, what happened to my system? Is my mobile phone hacked or something like that, right? This is what
Right.
we think,
Right.
na?
Yeah. Exactly.
Class is recording, na? Yeah, class is
Yeah. Yeah.
recording. I
It is.
thought that I forgot starting recording. Okay, so this is what happened, right? But what we're doing here, we are just using this application to send like that much OTP and all, right? And
Right.
in the
Understood.
case
Yeah.
of the target, they think that they got hacked, but in reality, this is not hacking, right?
Okay.
So this is just an application which we are using to send OTP. What this application will do now in the back end, it will the
Mm-hmm.
number that you type here now, it will
Mm-hmm.
uh, you can say on those platform like Facebook, Amazon, and all these platform, or the Zomato and all, it will try to log in your account there, and to
Oh,
log
all
in, we
right.
need the OTP, and the OTP that you
Okay.
will receive on the target mobile phone, right?
Okay. Okay. Got it. Huh. Yeah.
Got it? It will request for the OTPs from those platforms. So in that case, you will start receiving the OTPs. That will not affect you.
Right.
You are not hacked, right? Got it? So this is what this application
Right.
will do in the backend. And
Okay,
doesn't
sir.
matter
Got
if
it.
you have that application in your system or not. That is not
Mm-hmm.
it's concern. It do that in the backend already.
All right. Got it.
Got it? So these kind of the
Yes, sir.
technologies that the hacktivist uses or the script kiddies
Okay.
uses to show off in
All
front
right.
of their friend. This is not the real hacking.
Okay. Got it. Now I understood.
Got it?
Yeah.
Additionally, some other platforms are there. I guess this we have discussed. Hacker, Typer, and all. Remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
I
these
do.
kind of yeah. So these kind of platforms also the hacktivist uses, the pink hat hackers we call them, right?
Right. Okay.
Mostly we use the terms hacktivist and script kiddies. So during the interviews, do not use these kind of terms. Okay. Well, you can use, but
Okay.
most of the time, hacktivist and the script kiddies are the official, you can say, name of them.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. And in the case of script kiddies, if we put them in a different category, hacktivist uses these applications, and the script kiddies uses some predefined scripts which they will find on the GitHub and all, right? To
Okay.
create a basic viruses and all. This we will cover in the upcoming classes. I'll show you when we'll cover the part of viruses. Now that time we will discuss about the script kiddies.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that what kind of scripts that they uses and all. Got it? So yeah,
Sure, sir.
that's all.
Yeah.
Is the concept is clear? Sure.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Great. Then after that, after this, let's just talk about some basic installation part. Okay. So you need to download few applications.
All right.
Okay. So the first application that you need to download that is Kali Linux. Okay. So search here on the browser, search kali.org. Kali.org is an official website of Kali Linux.
Okay. Kali.org. Got it.
Yeah. You can follow the steps with me as well. You have the Wi-Fi now?
Yeah, I do. One
Okay.
second.
Huh. Follow the steps then.
It's kali.org.
Yeah, kali.org.
Yeah, I got it. Same.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Then you will find here in download option. Click on download
Right.
and
Okay.
then click on this virtual machine option. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to download the first file, VMware file.
VMware. All right.
Okay. So just click on
Check.
this 3.2G and the file will start downloading. This is the
Yeah.
size of the file is around 3.2 GB. That's why it is showing 3.2 G here. So in this case, like you can download this. Okay. So what is this application basically? This is the uh, yeah. So what is this application? This is an operating system basically, just like Windows we have now.
Right.
Okay. So for that we have this operating system. Why we use the Kali Linux? Because all the tools and technology, softwares, and everything that is needed for the cyber security, that's why
Okay.
those are pre-installed in Kali Linux. That's why we
All
use
right.
this.
Got it.
Okay, this is a type of Linux operating system. Kali is a type of Linux operating system. For example, like in Windows, we have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, right?
Right.
Just like
Yeah.
that, Kali Linux is a type of Linux operating system. And all the Linux operating systems are the open source, free and open source. In the case of Windows, you need to purchase the product key, right?
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
And that is not open source. You have to use the Windows according to the Windows operating system, according to the Microsoft. But in the case of Linux, it is completely open source and free. You can even create your own Linux operating system.
Oh, okay.
The code or the program of the Linux operating system is easily available on the internet. You can download
All
that.
right.
You can manipulate it according to you. Okay, if you know how to create a operating system and all, so you can
Yeah.
create it according to your needs. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, and all the programming languages, all the platforms are pre-installed inside that. For example, have you ever used any programming language, Java, Python,
Uh,
C, C++, or anything?
no, no,
No. What is your
no.
education background? BTech
I'm
or?
purely from humanities background, like bachelor's in arts.
Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it.
Yeah.
So you know about the programming languages?
Yeah, I do,
Okay. So in a
but I'm
programming
not used
language,
to.
let's say if we talk about the Java, so there is an application you need to download dot Java JDK, Java Development Kit, if you want to use that in the Windows operating system. So, but in the case of Linux, everything is pre-installed. You don't need to download anything. Even all the
Okay, got
programming languages already installed. For example, Python, C++, all of them are pre-installed in Linux operating system. You don't need to install any kind of setup files or anything for that. Got it?
all right. Yeah,
And all the softwares and tools that they are also available in the Kali Linux for the ethical hacking or even for the hacking. It's totally up to you for what purpose you will use them.
okay, okay, sir. Got it.
Got it? So that is why
Yeah,
we are downloading the Kali Linux. And as of we are very used to use Windows operating system now.
right.
So that's why we are not going to delete our Windows operating system. We are going to use a technology named VM technology, virtual machine technology. For that, we are going to download a virtual machine, a platform that will provide us a virtual platform through which you can install multiple operating system in single operating system.
Oh, all right. Got
Okay,
it.
just like for example, I'm using my Windows 11 machine. This is my main
Mhm.
operating system, but in the same operating system, I have a VMware, which is a platform which uh, interface in which we can install multiple operating system. So you can see
Right.
here I
Got
have
it.
installed Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Windows XP, Metasploitable 2, right, and the other
Right.
operating systems, right. So you
Yeah,
can even
yeah. I can.
install multiple operating system at the on the same operating system. This is what we call virtualization.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is what we are going to cover.
Okay.
So you need to download this file and then additionally you need to download the VMware as well. So for this, you have to go to the a new tab, then search here. Okay, then here you have to search VMware, VMware download. Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
Well, by the way, this is the official website of the VMware, but this is very confusing. Okay.
Okay.
For the freshers, the website is very confusing to understand, or you have to create an account on this, and then you have to go to so many links or web pages, and then after that you will get a link to download the file. So instead of this, we can download the file from the third-party applications, which is
All
this one,
right. Okay.
Export. So just go to this and
So
then
can you just
download the file.
go back 1 second? I
Just search for VMware download.
Yeah.
Okay, and then go to this website, TechSpot,
Yeah, I got it.
and just click on this, and then scroll down. Click on this VMware Windows 7.2 6.2.
Point
Right?
two. Yeah, I got it.
This is the latest one. Click on this,
Right.
and then wait for 2-3 seconds. It will automatically start the downloading the file for you. Okay, see, it is started.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
In
It
my case,
is.
I already have this, so I'm closing it.
Okay, sir.
Additionally, I will even send you a link of a file. Let me send this right now only, right? Um,
Yeah.
I guess 7 to 8 p.m. batch. You have the access of LMS, na?
Yeah, yeah, I do.
Okay. Copy to. Mm,
So sir, here, the actually three things are getting downloaded.
Mm-hmm.
One is Kali Linux VMware,
Haha.
and one is Kali Linux VirtualBox, and one is
No, not the
VM.
VirtualBox. You don't need to
Okay,
download the
so
VirtualBox.
it's
Cancel them.
automatically getting downloaded. Okay, okay, done.
No, 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 no. Right? Okay, so go to your LMS. Did you get the what vulnerable machine file?
1 second. Sir, I need to actually log in now. I just need a moment.
Okay, let me check. Let me check. Wait.
Yeah.
It is there. Okay. It is
Mm-hmm. Okay.
there. They will find the folder. Look at on my screen. Okay. We have a folder named vulnerable machine. So you have to download this, or you have to click on the three dots and then download the folder. This is around. This is a little bit big size of folder. Around 15 GB of files are there in this folder. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So just download the folder directly. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. After that, in this we have some operating systems like Windows 7, 10, Windows XP and all, right? So we need to install all of them on the VMware.
VMware.
Okay?
All right. All
Yeah.
right, sir.
Okay, so after downloading the VMware and Kali Linux and all, first thing that you have to do, that is you have to install the VMware first. So to install the VMware, the process is same. Just click on the file and
Mm.
click on next button.
Okay.
After that, the VMware will be installed. The general option that method that we use now to install any application,
Right.
right?
Right. Got it.
That is what you have to follow. After that, the VMware will be launched, and then you will get this type of screen, home.
Okay.
When this type of screen will appear, so that's it means that the VMware is installed completely, and if it doesn't, so it means there is some mistake that you have done while installing.
All right.
Got it?
Okay. Okay. Mm.
So if you find any problem, so just let me know. I will help you in that. Okay. You
Sure.
can
Sure.
call
Sure.
me and yeah, you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
even
We'll do
ask
that.
in the group and all, right?
Okay, sir.
Would be good like if you call me because in the group and the chat, mostly the message will be ignored because I have so many messages in the on my WhatsApp, right? So would be good if you call me, right?
Sure, sir. If I have any doubt, I'll call you directly.
Ha ha ha. Okay, and you can download the file and all. After downloading the file of Kali Linux, what you have to do, the file will be in the form of zipped file.
Okay.
Okay, and would be much better if you when you download the file now, the folder named vulnerable machine. So transfer all the files of the VMware and the Kali Linux in that folder directly, right?
I can you just repeat it again?
And see, the folder that you have downloaded of the vulnerable machine,
Okay,
right?
huh.
So transfer the files of Kali Linux. You're already also downloading the Kali Linux, na? So
Right, yeah.
transfer the files of Kali Linux as well in the the virtual machine folder, so that all the files will present in an organized way,
All right, sir. Got it.
right?
Yeah.
Huh. So then after that, you will find the file named like this, Kali Linux 2025.c and .7z, right?
Right. Huh.
And it will show you this type of logo only if your VMware is installed.
Okay, okay.
Got it? And this is a zipped file. So what you have to do, you have to right click on the file, okay, and then extract the file. Click on extract all, and then click on extract. In my case, it is already extracted, so I'm not clicking on extract. Okay. Then it will
Okay, right.
extract the folder for you. It will extract the file for you, and it will create a folder named this 20 Kali Linux 2025.1.
Okay, okay, got it.
Got it? After that, open this folder, sorry, and then another folder is there in this folder. So you have to open that one as well. And then here you will find multiple files.
Mm-hmm.
Out of these
Yeah.
files, you have to click on the file which is having an extension of .vmx. This one,
Dot VMX. Okay.
.vmx. Okay,
Okay,
and
got it.
like this type of icon. And if the extensions are not visible, so sometimes it happens like the extensions are not visible. So in that case, what happen, like the extensions are hidden. So what you have to
Mm-hmm.
do, you have to click on view. See, the
Okay.
extensions would be like hidden like this. Okay. See, the extension is not visible here now. So you have to click on
Right.
view and then go to the show and then click on file name extension. So now it will
Oh,
show you extension of all the files.
right. Yeah.
And then you will find the file which is having an extension .vmx. Now what you have to do after installing the VMware, this is what I'm telling you, okay? After installing the
Okay.
VMware, click on this file. Just double click on this file and it will
Mhm.
automatically install the Kali Linux for you in the VMware.
Okay.
It will launch the VMware for you and it will install the Kali Linux for you directly.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
That's all. You can do this.
Yeah. I got it. Actually, it's installing still. So once it is installed, I'll do it.
Installing or downloading.
I mean, yeah, downloading.
Okay. And well, if you wanted to
VFS.
try this application, so you can do this. You can download the application and then you can try it.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
You can, by the help of this, you can take the revenges to your friends or whatever. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
we'll definitely try that, sir.
you can start a journey from becoming a hacktivist or a pink hat hacker. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, sir, how about the doubt session? You said no doubt clearing sessions. So
Doubt
it's
clearing
only on
sessions.
Saturdays, right?
Yeah, we see the weekends are off, but if you have any doubt uh, in any classes of the week, right? So we can do the doubt sessions on Saturdays.
All right, sir. Got it then.
Okay, even on Sundays, but it depends on that. Like maybe I'll be like available or not or something, right? So you can ask me, right? Like if I am available or not. So on the weekend, anytime that you are available, we can connect at that time. It's not compulsory, like only at 8 p.m. we have to connect because that is the time of your class. No, that is not compulsory. Okay, we can even connect in the daytime. Okay.
All right, sir. Sure. So, sir, I have this one more doubt. Like, I was just going through this EC Council about EC Council examination and all.
Uh-huh.
So in that there is like two examinate, like two sort of examination. Like one is theoretical, one is practical.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a doubt. Like to get that certification, should we do both of it or how is it?
Both of the examination you have to take.
Okay, okay. So I mean theoretical. Okay, I understood. There will be like situation based, like MCQ based question. So
Ha.
what happens in practical examination?
Well, in the practical, they will give you an IP address and a scenario. Okay, or let's say they will give you an IP address and they say that this is the IP address. You have to hack this IP address, and this is the IP address of a, for example, Windows 10 machine. You
Okay,
have to hack it, and then there is a file present inside this Windows 10 machine that you have to find, and the name of the file is given. For example, username.txt. So you have to find
okay,
that file in that target system, and then you have to tell that what is present inside that file, what is mentioned, what is the name of the user. Maybe this is what they will tell you. So you have to
okay.
answer that question. The
All
answer
right.
should be could be maximum of you can say 10 words, 20 words. Okay, you have to answer that question. Okay, in
Okay.
in
So
in
that
that
will also
form
be
only.
done online only or
Online
like should
only.
we go to all? Okay.
Online only. The
So that will
CH,
be of how many marks?
sorry,
That
uh,
will be of how many marks?
200.
200. All right, sir. Got it.
And you have to score 140 out of them. Like
Okay.
200 or per in total you will get 20 questions. Per question is every question is for 10 marks.
All right. All right, sir. Got it.
Minimum you have to answer 40 question, and in the case of EC Council theory exam, I don't remember actually, but maybe most probably you have to answer 82 to 87 questions correctly to get the certificate out of 125 questions. Every question have one marks.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. No. Will there be any negative marks as such?
Huh?
Any
No,
negative
there is no
marks?
negative marking is there.
All right, sir. Got it.
You will get 4 hours to complete the test. You will get 125 questions, and the proctor is will be continuously monitoring you. You need to share your screen. You need to turn on your camera. You need to uh, like share your screen. They will even take the access of your system uh,
Mhm. Okay.
by the help of a platform like AnyDesk. Okay.
All right.
So that to find out that you are not using you are not using the help of anyone else, or you are not hosting your screen anywhere, right? Just to cross check all those things. They even check your task manager to see that if there is any kind of application running in the background which through which you are sharing your screen to someone else.
All right. All right, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it? And
Yeah.
same thing for the CH practical. CH practical is for 6 hours.
6 hours. All right.
Theory is for 4 hours, practical is for 6 hours.
Okay. So once we clear both of it, only then we'll be getting the certification.
No, CH theory certificate is different, practical certificate is different.
All right. All right, sir.
Both are different exams.
Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir. So, sir, like, I'll do all the things like what you said. So tomorrow I'll be sharing my screen also once.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So just like cross check once if everything is on
We
point.
will do that. Of course, I will tell you to share your screen, right? To cross check everything is working properly or not. After that, we will start learning the Kali Linux. Basics of
All
Kali
right.
Linux we will discuss.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all. Any other doubt if you have, you can ask.
No, I'm clear for the day. Like once if I revise, if I'll be having any doubt, I'll get back to you.
Okay, additionally, we even have PPTs and the
Mhm.
notes that will be uploaded on the in the classes on the drive as well, right? So you can even go through that. The theoretical part, right? In the classes, if you don't know, let me tell if I'll tell you. In the classes, most of the part that we are going to cover, that is going to be practical only.
All right.
Almost from tomorrow, you can say that will start the practical classes. For example, 80% of classes is going to be practical only. The 20% will cover theory. To understand that, for example, if I say anything, for example, SQL injection attack. Okay,
Okay.
SQLI attack. So first of all, we need to understand that what is SQLI, right?
Exactly.
And
Right.
what are the
Yeah.
type of SQLI? So that we will discuss. Then we will perform the attack directly on the websites. Okay.
Yes, sir.
To
Sure, sir. Yeah.
so that is the 20% part is going to be theory. The 80% is going to be the practical. So that to understand the concept that how exactly these things work. Because cybersecurity is not theoretical part. This is not something what we are covering for the our college examination or school
College exam.
examination, right?
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
We are preparing for the certificate, so we need to understand that. And even you will get placed after this, after getting the certificate, right?
Right.
So there, obviously, the practical knowledge you need. They don't teach you.
Ex-
They will provide the trainings, but they will not teach you everything from the scratch. But
Right.
here in this course, we will cover everything from the scratch.
All right, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all for today. So still, if you have any doubt, anything you can ask, we still have 10-15 minutes left, 10 minutes left. No?
No, sir. Today, but now I'm like good. I'm clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, if I have any doubt, I'll definitely like get back to you.
Okay then. So should we end the session then?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, then download all the files before joining tomorrow's class, right? And then I'll help you to install the Windows 7 and 10 machine as well tomorrow, okay? Because that is a bit
Sure, sir.
confusing part, so that's why I haven't shown that on my screen today. Tomorrow we'll share your screen and we'll do this there only. Okay?
Sure, sir. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and one more thing I wanted to ask you.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, we have two options. Either we can do this directly like here on the Sublime text, or else if you say we can even use the PPTs in the classes.
No, I think this like you giving with example is, I
Much
can
better.
grab it very quickly. Yeah.
The PPTs will be uploaded obviously on the drive, right? So you can
Okay.
read the theory from there, right? And the basic theory, obviously, I'm telling, but still with the definition, proper definition and all, okay, those are given here. Okay, like
Yeah,
what is
that definitely
hacker,
helps
hacking
me.
and all, legal, illegal, right? So this you can read, right?
Right, right. Yeah.
So if you face any problem, if you think that sometimes what happen, like I also forget that this is the topic that we have missed. So if that happens, so you can let me know that we will even discuss that in the next class. Okay,
Sure,
that's
sir.
you
Sure.
missed this topic. And regularly check the notes. Every day check the notes.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that your theoretical concepts will be cleared. Yeah, that's all then.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's just end the session.
Sure, sir.
Good
Sure.
night.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.